Hello everybody, this is Q Quantum here and welcome back to the episode 2.1 of the ExploreOSS series, where we look into some of the open source projects one video at a time every Saturday. So before starting, I would like to say please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get the latest updates from our uploads. And also leave your suggestions down below in the comments if you need any improvement in the videos or you want to get some projects included in the series, then please leave a comment down below. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already opened up an awesome repository which basically reads out as awesome list about all kinds of interesting topics, and the author of this repository is Neutrino. And if you want to check out this repository, I'll leave a link down below in the description. So these are like 487 plus contributors to this repo, and you can see some of them here. So this is Neutrino himself. Okay, so as you can see in the contents part, you can see all the contents are basically organized. So basically you start with the platforms. Once you've selected a platform, you can select the programming language, and then you select a front end or a back end development, and then you get into the computer science topics such as algorithms and etc. Then you look into big data. Then if you need to require some theory, and then you have books, editors, gaming, development environment, entertainment, databases, media, learn, security, content management systems, and so on. So basically let's start with the platforms first. As you can see, there are like different kinds of platforms which you can develop for. So the very first is Node.js. So it says basically an asynchronous, non-blocking, event-driven JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. And then you have iOS, Android, IoT hybrid apps, Electron, Cordova, and IPFS, Heroku, so many others. And okay, so we are particularly interested in decentralized systems. So let's have a look at those. As you can see, we have Bitcoin, Ripple, non-financial blockchain, Mastodon, Ethereum, blockchain AI, and then EO, SIO, Corda, Waves, and Substrate. So you can see like these are some of the awesome projects based around the decentralized systems topic. So let's explore Waves today. Okay. So as you can see out through the logo, so logo is just saying like Waves written, and then you have Waves is an open source blockchain platform and development toolset for Web 3.0 applications and decentralized solutions. So basically why they are referring Web 3.0 is because the Web 1.0 which we had with HTTP 1.1 is like already gone, and now we are currently running on HTTP 2, which is our Web 2.0. So next is this list contains collection of useful resources to create decentralized applications on Waves blockchain. Basically it's an awesome Waves repo. So let's check out Waves official website first. Okay, this looks pretty decent. So is an all-encompassing gateway blockchain protocol advancing technological frontiers. They offer a developer-friendly infrastructure, smart contracts. RIDE is Waves' functional purpose designed smart contract language for distributed app development. And then they have security, So they have proof of stake consensus with more than 300 nodes all over the world. Then they have LPOS, least proof of stake, is an enhanced proof of stake consensus algorithm. They allow you to lease your tokens to a Waves node, earning a percentage of the node payout as a reward. Then they have inter-chain connectivity. So basically it's peer-to-peer. And then they have oracles, connection with real-world data. And then they have Gravity, a decentralized cross-chain and oracle network powered by Waves. So for whom this Waves is actually for? So they are for basically developers, traders and investors, node holders, leasers, blockchain enthusiasts, and anyone who is new to blockchain. So let's say if you want to build an app using decentralized features, you can have a look at this tutorial. Just visit the website. I'll be putting down the link in the description. If you want to play around and explore the Waves protocol, we can try out the Waves ID. Let's open the Waves ID in the site. We'll be checking this out, and we have be a part of the developer community. They have a Telegram group. If you wanna join this, just visit the website, and you can find the link down here. Trade and invest. They have a tutorial for how you can buy and sell tokens. Then they also have deploy a node, basically a Waves node. Then get benefit from leasing. They also have FAQs if you wanna check it out. Okay, let's try out the Waves IDE. So they have Waves blockchain uses functional programming language based on expressions called RIDE. It is simple yet efficient. Then you have writing Dapps, a distributed computer system, for instance in a blockchain. IDE contains a lot of runnable scripts, Dapps and tests to help you get used to RIDE language. Okay, so you can see the current compiler version which we have is 1.2.8. The web console is 2.1. So let's try out some of the test files. Okay, in the library we have some tutorials. So we have the welcome page, which is the same one. Then you have keyboard shortcuts if you want to try it out. Next up, let's close this, and then we have Dapps, 8 ball. Let's see this code. So as you can see, it's pretty much like JavaScript in syntax. So it's a 8-ball application or a distributed application built with the right programming language. It is certain decidedly so. Let's try to deploy this. We have sign and publish. Okay, we need an IDE account, or we can use the Waves exchange, proof of index 1. Okay, not with this. We have a seed phrase. Let's here one time. Add sign. So this code has been signed. Now we can publish this. Okay, we have an error here. Okay, so basically it says state check failed, reason account balance errors. So basically we do not have any Waves account yet, so it is not letting us publish any new applications. So basically it's more like Ethereum 2, you need some of the tokens. So particularly on Wave, you need the Waves tokens to deploy any applications, which is same as Ethereum, where you need ETH tokens to deploy any smart contract or something. So pretty much the experience of onboarding on the Waves is very nice. So they have provided us with the IDE to test out all the functionality of the programming language. So if you want to try this out for real, or if you want to have me look this into, then please do comment that we should create an account on Waves or not, and then if more of the comments come, we'll create an account on Waves and we'll try out these tests and all of these applications. So maybe in the next video, basically in the next part of this episode 2, we can look into some real world examples running this code. Okay, so back to the home page. Let's look at Gravity. The Gravity protocol, as we had seen, was a multi-purpose cross-chain interaction. So it is truly agnostic, interoperable, tokenless, and then they have infrastructure, public and private blockchains, data and cross-chain providers, research and development entities, and end users. I pretty much like the UI experience of the website they have. So basically how they have sectionized is, like first of all they tell you about what you are looking into, then they tell you who for whom is this, and then they tell you if you want to do something, then just look at these stuff. So let's say you want to learn more about Gravity, you can see the GitHub. Okay, it's a Medium article. Join Gravity development, then you can contribute on the GitHub, which is here. So you have Gravity Tech, blockchain agnostic, cross-chain communication and data oracles protocol. Actually they have their own particular website too. I like the design of their website. Okay, there's a recent news here which is from 14th of November 2020. The first application on top of Gravity network, cross-chain gateways between Waves, the origin, and BSC, the destination. Basically the Binance Smart Chain. So actually this Gravity is like a protocol to build cross chains. So let's say you have an Ethereum chain and the BSC chain, basically the Binance Smart Chain, and a Waves chain. Now if you want to combine the chains together and build a complex cross chain, you can use this Gravity protocol to do that. So they have shown this in a Medium article here. BSC is fully compatible with EVM, the Ethereum virtual machine. Okay, so basically they have done a good progress into the development of Gravity here. If you want to check out these demos and all, just come to their website. I'll be putting the link down in the description. Also they have partnered with these networks, WAB or VLab, Neutrino, then they have Tron, Vernage, Curve, Union, Matic, then you have Binance Smart Chain. All of these chains are basically partnering with Gravity to build an interoperable system of so basically an interoperable ecosystem of different blockchains. So let's say if you have some data on the Binance Smart Chain and you want to migrate or you want to share the data to the Matic chain, then you will be easily able to do that. Next up we have Neutrino. Neutrino protocol is a multi-assetization protocol for crypto collateralized USD and NSPT tokens, algorithmic stability. Okay, so basically if you know about NFTs or the non-fungible tokens, this Neutrino protocol is a way or the implementation of those. So basically it allows you to create and own assets on this Waves blockchain. And also in the coming versions it will be easily interoperable with the Gravity chain or the Gravity protocol. So basically you will be able to purchase assets and own them from any of the cross chains or the partners we looked into just before. So it's for traders, investors and others. Again, I want to do something, then they have something for you. Next up we have Engage tab. Okay, you can join the Telegram channels. Local communities are also there. Then you have Develop tab. Basically they provide an SDK or the software development kit so that you can easily develop on the Waves chain. Smart contracts using decentralized applications, right programming language, smart accounts, smart assets. Developer tools are like Keeper and Signer. So basically the Signer is something which we were trying out in the IDE. They also have the online IDE which we just tested out. So they have an APIs for the Waves data service, Node API, Matcher API, client libraries using Python, Java library, and JavaScript, TypeScript. To be honest, I really like the things which they are working on, and especially this Gravity. As you can see, like the blockchain is the blockchain technology is improving day by day. First of all, the pioneer, the Bitcoin, which started out all this blockchain hype, was the only single chain in the complete space. Now we have like many of those blockchains popping up, like let's say Ethereum, Binance chain, so all of these alternate coins all together. So now there are so many candidates in this blockchain ecosystem, and to if we can somehow make them interoperable, like if there is some user of the Binance Smart Chain and he should be able to deploy his apps and share his data to the Waves chain, to the Ethereum chain and so on, then it would be very good. But I think this idea of having cross-chain decentralization is basically completely futuristic. And also, as you know, blockchain is based on decentralization. So if you can have choices for each of the chain, let's say I'm a user and I can choose between the Binance Smart Chain, I can choose between Ethereum, I can choose between Bitcoin, and even whatever I choose, it should not affect that I am not able to do something in which others are able to do. So that in simple words means truly agnostic, and they are actually focusing on that. Okay, so I hope you like this project, and if you want to check more about the Waves blockchain, then please have a look at their website. I'll be putting the link down below, and please do provide suggestion for any new videos and projects which you want to check out.